Hey, what's up guys, Nathan here and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be talking about online shopping in Zambia. Basically everything that you need to know to get started, how you can set up your account and link your shipping addresses to that account. So stick around to the end of the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So the first thing that you want to do is open an account with eBay, Amazon or any shopping site of your choice. In this tutorial I'll use eBay as an example because it's relatively common. So the sign up page for eBay should look something like this. It's really basic information really, just fill in the spaces with your information and click on create account. After that you will have your eBay account and you will scroll through the site, just to check out a few things like putting up residential addresses, but that's not the address you're going to use for shipping. The address you're going to use for shipping is the one which will be given to you by your courier service company, and that takes us to the next step of this tutorial. So the next step is opening an account with a courier service company like DHL or iShop. I'm going to use iShop in this video because it's really easy to set up an account with iShop and it's also really easy to track your items, and I think they're also very professional. So I'm going to use iShop for this tutorial. To open an account with iShop, search for iShop Zambia on Google, click on the first link and you'll be redirected to their main website. After you've done that, click on register on the top right hand corner right on their website. Fill in the required information. It's pretty basic information really, and after you've created an account with them, you'll be given a customer number and you'll be given 3 shipping addresses, one for the UK, another for the United States, and the last one for South Africa. For example, if you want to be shipping from the United Kingdom, if you buy something from the United Kingdom, you will put the UK address as your primary address on eBay, and that's very important guys. You will also be given a customer number, which again I have already mentioned this, but you use this customer number when correcting your packages. After that's done, you want to go back to eBay and attach these shipping addresses to your eBay account. Okay, so click on account settings, then under personal information, click on addresses right there. Under addresses, you will see a couple of options. Then what you want to do is click on shipping addresses. So under shipping addresses, that's where you're going to attach your shipping addresses given to you by your courier service. So in our case that was iShop, and technically from this point onwards I'd say you are ready to start shopping, but I'd recommend that you use PayPal as a way of payment as opposed to using directly, like paying directly with your card, with your credit card. So just open an account with PayPal. It's really easy also to just open an account with PayPal and link your card to your PayPal account, and then link that PayPal account to your eBay account, and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it guys. Thank you for watching.